Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix Instagram recently deleted not showing after update. So if you're unable to see the deleted post in Instagram or recently deleted post on Instagram, what you'll have to do is basically you'll have to first of all update your application and then log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. After that, click on the three dot icon or the try bar icon from the top right hand side corner. As soon as you've done that, from the drop, click on your activity. After that, you'll be able to see all of your information such as a like that you've recently made, comments, tags, sticker response, review, and you can see your recently deleted button. So click on it, and here you'll be able to see all of your information before your 20 days, and that is basically how you can find or locate your deleted post in Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.